Now we are going to see exercise 3.1 sum number 4. This is also solving linear equations but statement sums. Question is, the sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 11. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46 more than 5 times the former number. If the 100th digit plus twice the 10th digit is equal to the units digit, then find the original 3-digit number. So first we want to know about 3-digit number. For example, if you take one 3-digit number, that is 247. This 247 means 7 is in unit place, 4 is in 10th place, 2 is in 100th place. Now 247 can be written in the expanded form as 247. 2 into 100, 200, and 47. 40 means 4 into 10, 40 plus 7. So the expanded form of this 3-digit number is 247 equal to 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7. That is 2 hundreds you have plus 4 tens you have plus 7. 7 is nothing but unit place number. So 7 ones. That is 7 into 1. That is called 7 we will write. So we will write 247 as 100 into 2 plus 10 into 4 plus 7. Similarly, if you take a 3-digit number as XYZ, this can be written it as X is 100X plus Y is 10Y plus Z. Now Z is in the unit place, digit in the unit place. Y is the digit in the 10th place. X is the digit in the 100th place. So expanded form of XYZ is 100X plus 10Y plus Z. Clear? Now the reverse number. We want to talk about 247. Reverse number of 247 is, we want to interchange the first and the third digit, that's all. So you will get 742. 742. So you will get 100 into 7 because 700. 100 into 7 plus 410. 40. So 10 into 4 plus 2. So similarly for XYZ, the reversed 3-digit number is ZYX. That is 100Z plus 10Y plus X. So I am going now I am going to the problem. First line is, the sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 11. So I am taking 3-digit number as XYZ. XYZ. X in the Z in the unit place, Y in the 10th place, X in the 100th place. That is 100X plus 10Y plus Z. So I am going to start now with, let the number be, that is the 3-digit number be 100X plus 10Y plus Z. Reverse number be, we want to interchange Z and X, that's all. So 100Z plus 10Y plus Z, plus X. So reverse number means we want to interchange only X and Z. Now what is the first condition given is, the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 11. So your 3-digit number is XYZ. Okay, XYZ. Sum of the digits means digits are nothing but X, Y, Z. These 3 numbers are called digits. 247 means what are the digits? 2 is the 100th digit number, 4 is the 10th digit number, 7 is the unit digit number. So units means X, Y, Z. Now we need the first line, sum of the digits. So X, Y, Z are the 3 digits. We want to find out sum of the digits. So it is X plus Y plus Z equal to 11. This is the first equation. Now look at the answer part. So first equation is nothing but sum of the digits, that is X plus Y plus Z equal to 11. This is called equation number 1. Next line is, if the digits are reversed. If the digits are reversed. So reversed digit means Z, Y, X. Am I right? The new number is, that is Z, Y, X is new number, that is equal to 46 more than 5 times former number. 46 more means 46, more means plus 5 times your former number means X, Y, Z. So what is it? The digits are reversed. So if the digits are reversed means, say I will write here, the digits are reversed means you will get Z, Y, X. The new number is, that is Z, Y, X. This number is 46 more than, that is 46 plus, more than means addition, 5 times multiplication. So 5 times means 5 into former number, that is old number X, Y, Z. So this is the second equation. So Z, Y, X means your expanded form. So that only we want to write it while forming the equation. So Z, Y, X means 100Z plus 10Y plus X equal to 46 more than, I am writing 46 at the end. So first I am writing 5X, Y, Z, that is 5 into 100X plus 10Y plus Z plus 46. Now you simplify this. It is 100Z plus 10Y plus X is equal to 500X plus 50Y plus 5Z plus 46. So X value here only greater, 500X. Here plus X, it is a smaller coefficient. So make it all the left hand side to the right hand side. So it is already you have 500X. Here plus X, it becomes minus X. Plus 50Y is there already in right side. Now left side 10Y, make it, you will get minus 10Y. Plus 5Z is already, plus 100Z, make it to the right side, it will become minus 100Z. Plus 46 as it is equal to 0. What I am doing? Left hand side all the terms I am going to bringing to the right side. Now 500X minus X is 499X plus 50Y minus 10Y is 40Y. These two becomes, that is 5Z minus 100Z. 5Z minus 100Z is minus 95Z equal to, I don't want constant at the left hand side, bring it to the right side, it is minus 46. Is it clear, man? Simplification. 500X minus X means 500 minus 1. It is 499X. Plus 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40Y. Then here is plus 5 minus 100. So different sign means we want to subtract. Subtraction 105. Subtraction of 105 is 95. Then greater number sign is minus. So minus 95 is it equal to minus 46. So equation number 2 we got it. Now we are moving to the equation number 3. So for that one, what condition is given is, if the 100th digit plus 100th digit means Y plus twice the 10 digits, sorry, 100th digit means X, that is XY Z. This is my number. Z is in unit place, Y in 10th place, X in 100th place. So if the 100th digit means X plus twice the 10th digit. So 10th digit number is Y, twice means 2Y is equal to unit digit. Unit digit means it is nothing but Z. So once again, what is this? XYZ is your number. xy is it your number. So this is unit, this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Okay, now what is the condition given? If the 100th digit, what is the 100th digit? X is your 100th digit, plus twice the 10 digit, plus twice the 10 digit. What is twice the 10 digit? See, if the 100th digit, if the 100th digit is x, plus twice the, question is twice the 10 digits, 10's digits. So 2 times your 10th digit is y, equal to unit digit. Unit digit is nothing but z. So third equation is x plus 2y equal to z. So now you got third equation as x plus 2y equal to z. Okay, so make it z to the left hand side. It is x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. So now we got the three equations. First equation, x plus y plus z equal to 11. Second equation is 99x plus 40y minus 95z is equal to minus 46. Third equation is x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. This is called equation number 3. Now we are going to solving equation 1, equation 2 and equation number is 3. So for solving this one, what I am starting now, let us start with equation number 1 and 3. Reason is equation number 1. Look at equation number 1. It is x plus y plus z equal to 1. Equation number 3 is x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. So making coefficients, that is coefficients of x, that is not making, it is already x coefficients are equal here, but y coefficients are different. But z coefficients are equal but opposite sign. While coming for say equation number 2, if you take equation number 2, here you have different coefficients in all the variables. So only I am considering equation 1 and equation number 3. So equation 1 I am writing as it is. Equation number 3 I am writing as it is. Now plus z minus z. So if you cancel, that is if you add, automatically cancel. So no need to change the sign. So plus z minus z get cancelled. X plus x becomes, that is 1x plus 1x becomes 2x. Plus 1y plus 2y becomes 3y, equal to 11 plus 0 is 11. This is called equation number 4. Now I am going to find out equation number 5. That equation number 5 also must be in the variable x and y. That means again I want to eliminate z only, but there you have to take second equation, no other option. So I am going to considering equation number 2 and equation number 3. So consider equation number 2 and 3. Clear? Consider equation number 2 and 3. So look at the coefficient of y and coefficient of x and coefficient of z. Equation number 2, coefficient of x here is 499, here is 1. Here coefficient of y is 40 and here 2. Here minus 95, here is minus 1. So I want to eliminate z. That means I want to make it z coefficients equal. Here minus 95 z, here only minus z. So multiplying equation number 3 into 95. So multiplying equation 3 into 95. So equation number 2 I am writing as it is. But equation number 3 I am multiplying with 95. What happens? 95x plus 2 into 95. 95 into 2 is 190y. Minus 95z equal to 0. What I am doing? That is equation number 2 I am copying as it is. I am taking as it is. Equation number 3 I am multiplying by 95 to make z coefficients equal. Because here we eliminated only z. Now in equation 2 and 3 also I want to eliminate only z. Now look at this. Equation number 2 I am multiplying with 1, or you can write as it is. Equation 2 implies as it is. Equation number 3 we multiplying by 95. Now I want to eliminate z. Here both coefficients are equal with same sign. So we want to subtract. So here is minus sign, here is minus sign, here becomes minus becomes plus. So minus 95z plus 95z get cancelled. So 499x minus 95x becomes greater number sign is plus. Subtraction of these two numbers gives 404x. Here 40y minus 190y. So you will get greater number sign is minus. 190 and 40 subtraction gives 150y. This is 2 already cancelled. So you will get minus 46 plus 0 same minus 46. So this is called equation number 5. Now you got already equation number 4. This is called equation number 5. Now I am going to solving equation 4 and 5. What is your equation number 4? Equation number 4 is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. So 2x plus 3y. Here equation number 5 is 404x. Equation number 5 is 404x minus 150y equal to minus 46. So I am going to multiplying any one coefficients. I want to make it equal. So I am going multiplying 4 into 50. Equation number 4 multiply with 50. You will get 4 equation into 50 multiply by 50. 50 into 2 is 100x plus 50 into 3 is 150y equal to 50 into 11 is 550. That is the value of 4 into 50. Now equation number 5 I am writing as it is. That is I have made it into, that is coefficients of y equal. Now this is opposite sign, just add it, these two get cancelled. Now 100 plus 404 gives 504. Am I right? Addition only, same sign, so add it, 504x equal to 550 minus 46 gives 504. So x is equal to get cancelled, the answer is 1. Now substitute x equal to 1 in equation number 4. We get equation number 4 is 2x. So 2 into x is 1 plus 3y equal to 11. Okay. Now 3y equal to 11. This is plus 2. Make it that side. You will get minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Or y equal to 9 by 3. That is equal to 3. Now substitute x equal to 1. Y equal to 3. In equation number 1 we get. In equation number 1. Your equation number 1 is x plus y plus z equal to 11. So x value is 1 plus y value is 3. So 1 plus 3 plus z equal to 11. So substitution gives, okay, 1 plus 3 plus z equal to 11, which implies z is equal to 11. This side is plus 4. Make it so minus 4 equal to 7. So the number is x, y, z. X is 1, y is 3, z is 7. So 137. That's all.